becomes the India's largest private enterprise.
When their father died in 2002 from a stroke, the family was thrown into disarray and the two brothers found themselves competing for influence. After Mukesh used his position as chairman of the Reliance board to assert his authority over Anil, the relationship became heated.
Right after the death of one of India's most successful entrepreneurs, Dhirubhai Ambani, his two sons locked horns, that too in the public eye.
Their mother had to step in and design a plan to split the company between the brothers. Mukesh got the legacy industries of oil, gas and petrochemicals, Anil, telecommunications and financial products. But this business divorce did not put an end to their dispute. In 2009, Anil took his brother's gas company to court, demanding they sell energy to his company at a heavily reduced rate, because that was their agreement. Mukesh argued when the company got broken up, that agreement was void. The argument went all the way to the highest court and even pulled in the top level of India's government.
The split had gone from boardroom to courtroom and from courtroom to various rooms of ministers, and it